In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get NordVPN discount code. So you need to head over to this platform, which is Coupon Weapon, and this is one of my best suggested platforms out there. You can see we have some coupons showing up in here. You need to click on view coupon option. So make sure you simply sign in on to your account. You can see you can copy this coupon and get a huge discount on a NordVPN. And yeah, so let's just copy this, and now we're going to be putting that onto our account. And so most probably it is going to be working, but if not, if this doesn't works, because a lot of time these coupons are used by other people, what you can do is simply head over to NordVPN, as you can see here, and from here you can simply uh, click on get NordVPN, and you can get 70% off using the link in the description of this video, and that is going to be an automatic coupon for you. So why the wait? You can simply head over to that link and click onto that and get your discount. So that's how easy it is, and see you around in the next video.